At least 2 Israelis were killed and 2 others were injured on Sunday in a suspected knife attack in Tel Aviv in central Israel. The stabbings took place during the morning rush hour in the city of Holon, just outside Tel Aviv. According to Israel's ambulance service, the attacker stabbed people near a gas station and a park. The attacker was later shot by the police as shortly after the incident. Israeli Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir arrived at the scene and met with journalists. Russian authorities reported intercepting dozens of drones over several regions in Kyiv. Officials said that Ukraine has carried out attacks on a number of military targets in Russia, including an airfield and oil depots, including in Belgorod region, killing 1 woman. DD India's Dasha Chernyshova sends us this report from Moscow.
With fighting ongoing in Ukraine, Moscow reiterates its openness to the negotiated settlement of the conflict. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said talks are a preferred way of settling down this conflict. And even though Moscow doubts the legitimacy of the Ukrainian authorities, Russia says it can find those whom to negotiate with. Peskov also said that the conflict is very complex, though its roots are clear to Moscow. It says the West tried to establish what Moscow describes the concentration of anti-Russian forces by the Russian borders. Russian Foreign Ministry also said that Moscow is willing to cooperate with all parties seeking to help to resolve the conflict. But Moscow says the goals of its operation will have to be achieved one way or another, and Russian concerns should be taken into account. In the meantime, Russian Defense Ministry says its forces have captured 5 settlements in the Donetsk region over the past week. On Saturday, Russian air defense systems destroyed at least 75 Ukrainian drones in several regions, including in Belgrade, Kursk and Rostov. Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Maria Zakharova also said that Ukraine's threats to blow up the Crimean Bridge may be a part of the U.S. presidential election campaign. Dasha Chernyshova reported in Moscow for DD India.